Hey guys, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. So I'm going to download a free version of Windows 10 from this website called intopc.com. So I just want to see if it's really a legit version of Windows 10. So I'm here at the website. You can type in Windows 10. I'm going to download the enterprise version. Hit enter. So there's a few versions available. There's the LTSC versions. Um, I have downloaded this Enterprise 1903 versions. So as you can see here, this is the version I have. So I'm going to build a virtual machine and install this version of Windows 10 machine. I'm going here at my Hyper-V, right click, new virtual machine. I'm going to call this Windows 10 dash get into PC. Just the name of the computer I want to call it. So I'm going to put it in the D drive where I have most available space. Click next. It's going to create this folder called Windows 10-Get into PC. I'm going to choose Generation 2. I'm going to give this an 8 gigs of hard drive, memory. Just type in 1048. That's enough. Close to 8 gigs. I'm going to click Next. Connect it. I'm going to choose my network connection. I'm going to click Next. I'm just going to give it 40 gigs. That's enough to install just the operating system. I'm going to click Next. I'm going to browse to the ISO file. It's located under C drive, software, Windows 10. Click Next and finish. Now if I boot up, it should boot to the C drive, to the ISO file. I'm going to double check that. Click on this and then settings, boot. So it should boot from the DVD or C drive. That looks good here. I'm going to click OK and power it up. Start. Press any key to continue. I'm going to click next. I got all the language that I want to choose. English, English, and US. Click next. Click install. So the installation probably going to take a few minutes, maybe 30 minutes or less. So it asks for the registration key or product key. Let me go back to this website here. It doesn't give me a product key or product code. Is there a product key I can use here? Okay, this guy has a product key. I'm going to use this product key. I can't copy and paste. Let me Let's go back here and type in product key, NP PR9 FWD C X V2 C8 J H8 72 K 2YT 43. Let's see if that works. Click next. All right, look like the code is working. Accept and click next. I'm going to custom. I'm going to put it on the C drive. Click next. All right, so far so good. So the installation probably going to take about 20 minutes. I'm going to pause the video and we'll come back when it's finished. All right, look like the servers has rebooted. Just a few more minutes. Oh, it's taking a long time. I'm going to pause the video and we'll come back. All right, look like it's almost finished. I'm going to choose the region, United States, keyboard US, keyboard layout. I'm going to skip this one. Setting up network settings. Alright, the network setting is taking a while. Okay. I'm gonna use my local account. I'm gonna call this Carson. I'm gonna call this test one, test user. Create a password. Confirm the password. I need to enter security information. So I'm going to pause the video and go through this and then we'll come back. All right. I enter the three security questions. Do more across device activity history. I'm going to say no. I'm not going to set that up for now. This is only for testing. Get here from digital assistant. I'm going to accept. That's fine. I'm going to choose default. Accept. All right. It's getting to the end. It's taking a long time. I'm going to pause the video. All right. It's almost finished. Network setting, yes. It's so this Windows, it puts a couple of text file on the desktop. Let's take a look what it is. Windows 10. It's probably an instruction how to activate. Windows 10 activator has not been integrated because every antivirus program will detect a cracked tool or hacked tool virus false positive before downloading Windows Activator. So you have to download the Windows Activator and after installing your 10 bar again. So you have to go to this website and download the Windows Activator. So this is the instruction that you have to do for Windows Enterprise 10X. Let's take a look at the other text file. Hmm. Let's look at the control panel. So it's not activated. I'm going to go to this website and follow instruction to activate. It's going to take a while. Since I don't have antivirus software on this computer, I probably don't need this, but I'm going to download the activator here. Let's launch Firefox. So here's the setting that you have to go through for this program's Windows copy of Windows to work. To me, I think this is look like it has a malware. So I don't recommend to use it it's okay for testing, but I don't recommend to use it as as a day-to-day Windows computer. Like Windows computer, I mean like have your personal data on it. It's okay for testing, testing applications, testing some kind of connection. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.